So we're supposed to get like 40 centimeters of snow instead. It was raining, but now it looks like it's snowing. I don't know what it's gonna do. We're back. My ice cream is cold. These M&M sandwiches remind me of Utah because when I was there, that's when I discovered them, when I was with the Tannerites. And now every time I go to the States, I need to buy them. We're home. It's still snowing, but not as nice as it was this morning. I'm out of breath. I didn't do anything. Got some nice shots, I think, at Newport. And now I'm gonna sit down, relax, get comfy, and watch Sam and Jay's Bachelor recap. I like them, they're good. Also, I've been online friends with Sam for years, but we've never met in person. So we'll have to do that one day, because she's good. She does beauty videos. So if you wanna subscribe, if I remember, I'll put it in the thing. I'm gonna go through my footage and pictures and catch up with you after. I just have to see if I like them. Like,
you should try these ones on last time. Gotta get it down.
I vlogged a little bit today in the mall, but just like 2-second clips. And I didn't vlog anything else, so maybe I'll try to get some tomorrow and then put the video together. I don't know.